it's Brooke with WTI. Do you need more space in your bathroom? Most of us do. That's why I really appreciate Luxspire's floating shelves. These really came in handy and were very easy to install. The instructions were very simple to follow. I love the way that these look. It has that rustic farmhouse appeal, and I feel like with this decor you can style it any way that you want. And I really enjoy being able to get things off of my sink area and make sure it's nice and clean. One of the added benefits is having this right next to my shower, so if I run out of the soap, I can grab my favorite soap and put it back on the shelf. These shelves are really great when I put water on them. It does not absorb the water. They are really made to be in the bathroom, but you can use them in the kitchen or anywhere else because they look really amazing. I love how it has this towel rack here, just so I can have a special towel for washing my face or drying my face. And this just comes in handy, these shelves. There's two of them. I love the grain, the texture of the wood, and it has a smooth, glossy surface. Everything about this makes just my bathroom a little cleaner, more organized. I love how sturdy it is. It's anchored really well to the wall. I love that it can hold quite a bit of items up there. So I think this is a great addition to any home. If you just want it over your bathroom, your toilet area, or even if you just want it in your kitchen or somewhere else, I can't see how I could go wrong with adding more space, and especially when it looks this cute. So I love it, but that's just my point of view.